just a little while back, there was a press release that hit the NSE and BSE stock exchanges. That was from Ashoka Buildcon. I'll just read it out to you. Ashoka Buildcon informs that Ashoka Concessions Limited, a subsidiary of the company, has apprised the company that ACL, in terms of the contractual agreements between ACL and its shareholders and to bolster capital, is evaluating various options and is planning to commence discussions with potential investors to explore such options. Not very clear what exactly that means. Ashoka Buildcon is up, but Mr. Paresh Mehta is joining us to tell us what exactly is afoot. He is the CFO at Ashoka Buildcon. Mr. Mehta, what should we understand with this rather difficult sentence that Ashoka Concessions is looking for new shareholders, that its current shareholders will sell off? What is the meaning of this press release?
Good morning. Actually, Ashoka Concession is a holding company for our BOT projects, wherein we have SBI Macquarie as a private equity partner for the last 4 years. So definitely as a private equity partner and having a fund will require an exit in the near future. So in the process of they being able to monetize their investment, we are facilitating the process of enabling them to identify a investor who could buy them. So that is the process which we are running. So we are starting a process of talking to potential investors who would be interested in buying their stakes, and in that course, if they feel and the company feels fine, we'll take some investment also at ACL level. So depending on projects, new projects which will be coming.
39% of MCL of SBI Macquarie is up for sale.
Yeah,
you are looking for new buyers. You may also buy some.
No. They are looking for new buyers. We at present have no intention of buying their stakes.
Okay. What is the valuation for ACL? Is there anything that's been worked out on that front?
No, not yet.
Okay. Okay, so Ashoka Buildcon per se so far is not looking to sell any stake. The news is just that SBI Macquarie are looking for an exit. Am I correct?
Yes.
So nothing will accrue to the listed entity, which is Ashoka Buildcon.
We continue to hold our stakes in ACL and develop assets under ACL.
How many road assets are there under ACL? What money is it making?
So we have 6 BOT projects and 2 annuity projects under ACL. And all the 6 BOT projects are operative and they are earning tolls. And on the annuity projects, they are under development. So,
how many annuity projects you said?
We have 2 annuity projects. One annuity project with the state government of Tamil Nadu, and one hybrid annuity project which we have recently won. And we are we are almost in the process of closing the financial.
Sir, as per the last Macquarie deal, which was about 3.5 years ago, I think ACL had been valued at 2,500 crores. Would it be close to that?
Cannot say anything at this moment of time, ma'am.
Okay. You know, Lata, actually, this was a story that Nisha had broken a while back. I don't remember the exact time, but she had told us that this 39% stake would be going on the block, and that sovereign funds, pension funds, all of them were in talks actually for this stake. Okay.
Any funds you'll have shortlisted?
Not yet, ma'am.
No sovereign funds? Nobody has yet shown interest?
Not yet. We'll start the process now, and we'll see. And whenever we have something definitive, we'll keep on.
Okay. What was the last full year revenue of Ashoka Concessions, and what is the 9-month revenue?
Ma'am, Ashoka Concessions, we have not declared those incomes, so we'll be declaring those in March.
But you all hold the remaining 69%.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
69%.
Right.
Well, then in that case, it's a consolidated entity. You should be able to tell us the numbers.
We'll be reporting in March 2017. We have approximately collected revenues of around, for the 9 months, around 350 crores.
Okay, so you would have the FY16 earnings as well.
Yeah.
How did the company do?
At ACL level, I would not be in a position to tell immediately, ma'am. I'm outside.
Okay. What were the, if you have the revenue numbers of 350 crore, would you have an earnings number, a profit, EBITDA, any other number for MCL for 9 months? Sorry,
Not
for
at this moment.
Ashoka Concessions?
Not at this point, madam.
Okay. All the 6 BOT projects are making money?
Yeah, in the console, yeah. Maybe one of the projects is slightly stretched, but otherwise they're all in the consolidated making money. They're throwing positive cash.
Okay. And when will the 2 annuity projects get completed?
One of the projects we expect to get completed in, say, the next quarter.
Okay.
And the hybrid annuity project should get started as soon as we receive the appointed date. It's recently one project.
Okay.
In the
What
state
is
of
the
Punjab.
debt of the entity?
The consolidated of ACL would be around 3,700.
6,780.
3,700 crores.
3,700 crore.
Yeah.
Okay. And you all have never tried to sell piece by piece any of the BOT projects?
No, we don't do that.
Okay. When can we expect an announcement in terms of having found a buyer? Is any timeline?
Not at this moment, madam. We'll probably, as soon as we get responses and we got some definitive terms, we'll definitely keep the exchanges posted.
All right. We'll leave it at that. Thank you very much for joining us, Mr.